ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद ऐसा लगा जैसे भारत और पाकिस्तान जंग की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। ये स्थिति उस समय आई जब पाकिस्तान ने भारत पर ड्रोन और मिसाइलों से अटैक किया। हालांकि भारत के एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम ने पड़ोसी मुल्क की हर नापाक हरकत को फेल कर दिया। इस एक्शन में आकाश मिसाइल सिस्टम ने अहम रोल निभाया और दुनिया भर में सुर्खियां बटोरी। आकाश मिसाइल को डेवलप करने वाली टीम के प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर रहे वैज्ञानिक प्रहलाद रामाराव ने इस अचूक शस्त्र पर खुलकर अपनी बातें रखी है। डीआरडीओ के पूर्व प्रोजेक्ट निदेशक प्रहलाद रामाराव ने आकाश मिसाइल रक्षा प्रणाली की सफलता पर खुशी जताते हुए कहा कि आकाश ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान दुश्मन के ड्रोन और मिसाइल हमलों को नाकाम किया। इस प्रणाली को बनाने में 15 साल लगे और इसमें हजारों वैज्ञानिकों ने काम किया।
Akash defense missile system was initiated, and what was your role and what was the role of Abdul Kalam?
See, it was a program got initiated in 1983, and I was a scientist, a junior scientist there in a lab called DRDL in Hyderabad, and Dr. Abdul Kalam was the director of my lab. So I used to work with him for mathematical modeling, some testing and things like that. I used to frequently interact with Dr. Kalam for that. So when the project sanctioned, I was working with him, and I remember I prepared when he said, what is your view of a surface-to-air missile system? I created a chart and showed him. He was quite satisfied the way I have conceived it. So that was 83, and 1984, the name of the missile was given as Akash. In the beginning, it was only a medium-range surface-to-air missile system, so it was given Akash name. Yeah, so I was called project director in 1984. 84, I was called project director. Then I was very young at that time. I was a little scared. Well, can I handle the responsibility? Because this project, out of the 4 missile projects, was taking maximum time, nearly 15 years, and also it had maximum fund allocation. So the complex, because the missile was complex, the radar was complex, the ground system was complex, and the whole ecosystem was complex because of the thing is, because air defense, the target is a aircraft, and aircraft is flying, maneuvering, and also it carries electronic warfare, things like that. So you have to catch it like how do you hit a bird who is flying and maneuvering? It's a very tough job. So I was a little scared, but then it took 15 years. For 10 years we were doing research and development. Last 3 years we did testing. Then we asked the Army and Air Force to come for a flight testing. That's how it took place.
Engines.
Everything was a challenge because one is, we were all young people. Most of us are below 30, number one. Young power, youth power. Number 2 is the Air Force and Army told it should be a multi-target handling surface-to-air missile system. That means the enemy will send maybe 4 aircraft, 6 aircraft, 8 aircraft. You should be able to annihilate all the 8 simultaneously. So that's a tall order. So radar has to be customized, specially made. So it should have a lot of beam agility. It's called beam agility. The electronic beam should be switching tuck, 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 left, right, up, down at a very, very fast speed so that you don't miss any target. Then you should also pair. It's called match pair. That is the enemy aircraft and our missile should be matched. Which missile will go to which aircraft? That should be matched. So that also that is done because of the intelligence we have built in the radar, in the command and control system, and inside the missile. All 3 there are computers with hardware and software, and it will ensure that you will match the different target for different missile simultaneously, accurately, and reliably.